If you want to permanently delete a project in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step process to delete a project, confirm the removal, and then clear it from the trash so it's permanently gone. This is a really useful tip if you want to clean up your CapCut home screen, remove old drafts, or free up space by getting rid of projects you no longer need. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and go to the Home section. On the home screen, scroll down until you find the Projects area. This is where all of your saved edits and draft projects are listed. Now, look through your project thumbnails and find the one you want to delete. Once you've located it, hover over the thumbnail. When the options appear, click the three dots on the project. This opens the project menu with different actions you can take. From that menu, select Delete. CapCut will ask you to confirm your choice, so click OK to move forward. At this point, the project is removed from your main projects list, but it is not permanently deleted yet. To fully delete it, stay on the home screen and look toward the right-hand side for the Trash button. Click the Trash button to open the Deleted Projects area. Inside the trash, you should see the project you just deleted. Select that project so it is highlighted, then click the Delete icon again. CapCut will ask for one more confirmation and you need to confirm the deletion one final time. Once you do that, the project is permanently deleted from CapCut. This is the important part if you want to make sure it is completely removed and not just sitting in the trash. So to recap, you go to Projects, open the three-dot menu, choose Delete, confirm with OK, then open the trash, select the same project and delete it again. That's the complete process to permanently delete projects in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple CapCut tips, editing guides, and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.